So you think you got what it takes to survive in the wilderness. But can you actually make it? Well, maybe. I don't know if you can or not. Maybe you're prepping for the apocalypse. Or you just want to learn some new skills. It's time to hide in the bushes. I am Sir Thrival.
No, I'm Kriegstein, but I can survive in the woods.
Introducing the SH. There's no power, no water, no help. It's not safe to stay at home anymore. Everyone's getting robbed and murdered. The only person you can trust right now is you. And me. You can trust me. I'll show you the way. Will you come with me?
I can't support that many people, okay?
The only way this is gonna work is if I go at it alone. But you guys are gonna have to make sure to subscribe.
Make sure you bring some extra rope. As much as you can. I'm taking some slingshot ammo and a slingshot for small game.
You're gonna want some cotton rounds or balls. You can start a fire and filter water.
It's always a good idea to have some Ziploc storage bags. And we're gonna need some matches if you got them. Gonna need some kind of blanket. And here's how you tie it up with a single piece of rope. Take the loop and fold it under to make 2 loops. Grab the strings that are tucked underneath the blanket and tuck them through the 2 loops. Now grab them together and cinch it down good and tight.
Yes, like that. Put that in your backpack and haul it.
Here's a quick access knife hack. Tie it the same way as the blanket, but twice. I feel like I should be talking right now, but I really don't know what to say. So I'll just let you watch. That is so handy.
Oh, yes!
I'm taking the last of my water. Make an X at the 3/4 mark and set the jug on the X. Take the long end and put it through the short end loop and pull it. Now go back over the jug again. You should have 3 loops. Take the outside rope and tuck it down under the inside. Cinch and pull. I need to be safe. I'll just keep following this trail in hopes that it leads somewhere. It's gotta be better than the bomb-stricken cities. I stopped to gather some Equisetum high moly. You can eat it raw or make tea out of it. If you boil it and let it dry, you can use it as sandpaper. These heavy game trails tell me I'm close to water. I'm in a good area. I've been walking all day. Surely this leads somewhere. As I was walking, I came up on a large rock. I kept walking, and oh my God, it appears to be a Mycenaean 2-chamber rock-cut burial tomb. For a backstory on this tomb, I did a video earlier. I'll leave a link. This place is gonna work great. It's got everything I need. A big shout out to the ones who built it. I've got my bow and arrow, and I spy a turkey. Let's go see if we can get him. Got him. Before we got him, let me show you a knife trick. Safety's very important. Don't ever do that. Make sure you put a cord on the end that your fingers can fit through. The last thing you want in the woods is a deep cut.
The cord prevents your hand from even reaching the blade.
Do you hear that? We've been spotted. We have to hide now.
Lay down on the ground and stay still. If we move, they shoot.
They're blinded from the mammoth smoke bomb. I'm out of here.